its time. There's no reason to mourn, for the great sacred bird is reborn. From the ashes he rise, and upon his white wings I'll watch you from above. I will never be far, but my son, it's your turn. Do not